Hi there, my name's Jason Williams, and I'm here to test because I recently did a video installing these refurbished HTXs on this Shorty, which used to be on this Land Cruiser. And I put these on, you know, thinking, oh, new, let's see what they're like. Anyway, I want to test them side by side, or, you know, as close as I can to which one is correct. So tonight I'll take them both out, give them a bit of a test. You know, I know which one I do prefer, but at least be utterly sure which one, you know, how much better is one than the other, you know, what are the benefits, what, you know, those really random type things. And yeah, see how it goes. You know, are the refurbished HTXs as good as the laser Sentinels? Are the laser Sentinels that good, or are the HTX, which are refurbished like the HTX2? You know, what's the pros and cons? What's the benefits? But yeah, go do that tonight, which is now on the video. All right, lasers on and HTX on. Lasers down and HTX on, lasers up. Yeah, definitely a different light. I reckon the lasers are a little bit better on the eyes, but we need to now go and give them a proper test on the road. All right. So this is the laser Sentinels, but this is just low beam on the 80. Now we'll go to high beam, and that's that. What I've got to think about is what's the light reflection like? The lights aren't reflecting off the signs too much. It's spreading nicely. No matter what, I do like these lights. Like to travel at night with these is quite nice. This gives us a pretty good example that there is a bit of vegetation for the light to reflect back, so that it seems like they're better than they actually are. Maybe, I don't know, on a big open road, maybe you lose the light out in the open fields, but yeah, they don't seem to reflect too much. They don't seem to blind much back. That's probably the main benefit I've noticed using these at night, is that they are so much more comfortable to use. Don't get quite so tired, but yeah, we'll see if we can find a sign. Yeah, you can see that sign up there. It's not even reflecting. I can't wait to see the HTX on the exact same sign on the same road, to see what they're like. All right, we'll spin around and go back. Alright, and this is the Shorty with the Lightforce HTX lights. The ones previous were the laser Sentinels. Alright, what's high beam like? Both on? Yep. Just make sure both the switches are on. And probably best need to take note of this reflection of these signs. Reflecting a little bit more, aren't they? Not too bad, but I prefer the laser Sentinels, but not by that much. Definitely tell the spot beam goes a bit further on these. And this is that straight-ish bit of road again. And we saw that sign before. It's reflecting a little bit more, and obviously as we get closer it'll reflect more, even though it's an old kind of sign. And yeah, you know, the sun reflects a bit more, and yeah, I think Sentinels are nicer to drive at night with. These, you know, wear your eyes out a bit more, so you get a bit, you know, you tend to get quite fatigued. Alright, we'll head back. So yeah, I'm not sure if you can pick this up on camera, but it's quite obvious with our eyes, is the reflectors on the edge of the road, the night reflectors for the side of the road, they're brighter. They considerably reflect more with these HTXs and get a bit annoying. But, you know, I've driven with a lot of different lights. These are still better than a lot of other ones I've driven with. And yeah, go the Sentinels. I think they're a winner. Alright, well, so as you saw in that video, quite clearly, I definitely prefer driving with the Sentinels. Like, if I had to have one car and one set of lights, I'd be picking them. But that's not to say that I don't like the HTXs. I still really like them, but they glare a bit too much on this, the signals on the clearance indicators on the side of the roads, the guideposts, and also signs. These reflect a little bit, but they don't seem to hurt your eyes near as much. And these don't seem to make you tired, whereas you know, the HTXs, you get quite fatigued when you do a bit of night driving. Alright, so yeah, the wrap up of it, yes, the laser Sentinels are better. Yep, they're my favourite for sure. The Lightforce HTX, pretty good. You know, they're not a crappy light. They're a good spotlight, but they're not this. See, now I'm spoilt with good lights. I kind of use, you know, it doesn't matter what I use from now on. It's got to be like, oh, until obviously there will be better than this. And technology always increases, so there will be better than them. But yeah, so that's about it for the lights. Thank you very much for watching, and I will aspire to see you in the next one. Cheers.